Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in a really long time, so I feel like this is going to be a really awkward process, but we'll just see how it goes. I've been feeling really inspired to try to wear lighter makeup, especially like with the mask and all that goodness. You don't really need to put on a lot of makeup. Even though this is a situation and I feel like I need to put a lot of makeup on, I'm going to try my best to be very light-handed today and show you how I do a 2020 soft glam look. So I'm going to start off with moisturizer, and I'm using the sample of Charlotte Tilbury, the Magic Cream. I've heard really good things about this cream. I've never tried it, so I'm excited to see how it feels, but it's supposed to like enhance and boost your complexion and like define your features and like tighten. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to open this up real quick. I think the whole thing is like the tapping in technique and massaging it in. That's what the lady who was training me on this at work was telling me. I'm assuming you only really need a little bit, so I'm going to start off with this amount, but let's go ahead. Ooh, it feels so good. Okay. You're supposed to kind of pinch and drag up against your jawline and kind of just massage it into your contours of your face, focusing in like the middle of the forehead too, so you don't get like those lines. Feels really good. Beautiful, love that, moving on. Okay, now I have the Wonder Glow Primer. This is so pretty. I played with this at work too. I work at Sephora, I didn't clarify, but I've been playing around with a lot more products recently, so yeah. So I'm gonna be showing how to apply the Wonder Glow Primer. So I'm gonna use this much of product, not that much. And kind of press it in on my cheekbones first, and then just work it in the rest of my face. Okay, this is really pretty, super subtle. So if you do wear this along without foundation, you will look like you only drink water and your skincare routine is like beautiful. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in Cheesecake 250G and then go in the center of my face first, wherever I need the most coverage. So I'm going to do my eyebrows now so that I can carve them out and kind of blend out the concealer with the foundation before I go in with powders. I'm using the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty. It's awesome because it's two-sided. You get the pencil tip on one end and you get the felt tip on the other. I'm going to use this slowly and comb my brows into place. And then use the pencil to fill in where I see gaps. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer in 2.3. Now I'm going to go back in with the felt tip side and kind of make the brow reach that concealer line, you know, to get like those cleaner strokes. I'm going to do the other brow off camera. Now I'm using my Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in Grace. This is the matte formula. It is super pigmented, so I'm going to blend it out on my hand with my finger first and then apply it that way. This dries really fast, so you have to be quick. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Tan Tour in medium, and then I'm gonna just kind of very lightly press it all over where I want to be sculpted. So now I'm going to blend it out with this Sephora 93 brush. I'm kind of pressing and dragging back against the angle on the brush. For the contour, I'm kind of dragging up because I am pushing the product up. I don't want it to blend any more below where I put that original one, but I'm also gonna like keep putting it back and up to blend out. So that's pretty blended out. I'm gonna do the same thing, but just kind of under the jawline. Okay, next I'm using my JLMLY Cosmetics highlighter stick, and I have no idea what color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Laura translucent powder. This is like my ride or die, like staple product. I put this on every day, everywhere on my face if I'm wearing like creams or liquid, period. Just so like everything doesn't shift around. Like I live in Florida, it's hot, humid, stuff slips, so I gotta like do this little extra step. I don't really bake anymore though, I will say that. I'm just gonna use my Milani bronzer to warm up my face, like a very light sheer layer. I'm gonna use this Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. And I'm also gonna just do like a couple squirts of the Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist. I'm gonna be using this palette to create like a soft, smoky, defined eye without doing too much. I'm using this really tiny, cute, like crease blending brush. It's an Morphe M562. I recently got this and I'm really liking it for this exact purpose, to like blend out the crease shades. And I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Dark Star mascara. I'm going to use these Kiss lashes in Page Boy. They're the blowout lashes. These in the Ardell Wispies, of course, like are my favorite. They definitely are long though, so you have to trim them. And I always trim from the inner corner because I like the wispy ends to be still longer and flip out. If you cut that off, then there's no point. Okay, so for my waterline, I want to brighten it up, so I'm using the Sephora Glide Liner in Snow White. And then I'm going to go back in with that mascara and just coat my bottom lash line. For lips, I'm using the NYX Nude Beige Lip Pencil. Okay, next I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Okay guys, this is the final look. It's my version of soft glam, more natural than some of that stuff I do. I didn't even do eyeliner. It still took a long time regardless, but I didn't have to do eyeliner, so that's good. I think that the Magic Cream and the Wonder Glow Primer from Charlotte Tilbury really like put it over that extra edge. It looks super radiant and glowy, and it looks like I take really good care of my skin. I like this eyebrow, yes. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you watched the whole thing, I super appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one.